In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay ElevenLabs using Apple Pay. We'll walk through the exact path on the ElevenLabs site to find the official Apple Pay guidance so you know where to check availability and what to expect before you try to pay. This keeps things accurate and up to date since payment options can vary by region and device. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs and look for the official ElevenLabs website in the results. Click through to the site. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you can access all the account options you'll need for support and billing information. Once you're on the ElevenLabs app dashboard, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area with a small arrow next to it. Click that arrow to expand the account menu. From the menu that opens, select Help Center. This will take you to ElevenLabs support portal where they publish current payment and billing articles. On the Help Center page, use the search bar at the top. Type Apple Pay and submit the search. You should see a result titled, "How can I use Apple Pay?" Click that article to open it. This is the official resource from ElevenLabs and will explain how Apple Pay works with their checkout, any prerequisites, and where it appears during the payment flow. As you read the article, pay special attention to availability notes. Apple Pay is only available in certain countries and regions. If you don't see Apple Pay when you're trying to complete a purchase, it's often because your country isn't supported or your device and browser aren't compatible. The article will point you to the most current list and requirements so you don't waste time troubleshooting the wrong thing. A few helpful tips as you review the instructions. Make sure Apple Pay is set up in your wallet on your Apple device, keep your browser updated, and ensure your region settings match a supported country if you're eligible. Also, availability can change, so always rely on the Help Center article for the latest details. If the article indicates Apple Pay isn't available in your location, the Help Center will also guide you to alternative payment methods. That's the full path. Google ElevenLabs, open the site, expand your profile menu in the lower left, go to the Help Center, search for Apple Pay, and open the How Can I Use Apple Pay article to confirm availability and follow the official steps. Thanks for watching, and use that Help Center page as your source of truth for the most accurate, region-specific instructions.